Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing cherry and pineapple smoothie. Cherries is a wonderful fruit that has some hidden health benefits. Continue watching to find out more about this fruit. I'll be using fresh cherries, which I will cut into two to remove the seed. Cherries is a wonderful fruit that has some hidden health benefits. It contains enzymes that will help to facilitate good and peaceful sleep. So if you're having problem with sleeping, cherries to your fruit juice or smoothie. Cherries will help you in maintaining your blood pressure levels because it contains a good amount of potassium, which will help in removing excess sodium from your body. It also has anti-aging properties. Cherries I will set aside. I'll be using fresh pineapple, which I've already sliced into smaller pieces. I will add the pineapple into the blender. Add some of the cherries. Feel free to use any sweetener of your choice, but I want it natural. I'll be adding some ice cube. When I'm done, I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. How easy it is to make this juice. This juice is so tasty and contains a lot of hidden health benefits because of the two fruit that I use. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to try this smoothie. Thank you all for watching.